Namaste friends. You all are welcome in our channel Long Live Homeopathy. Today we will discuss about dizziness, the causes, signs, symptoms and pathophysiology as well as homeopathic medicines. Friends, for dizziness, homeopathy is one of the best pathy where there is no side effect of homeopathic medicines. So let us start. What is dizziness? Dizziness is not a disease but a symptom. Feeling of lightheadedness, imbalance or spinning of head, that is vertigo. Causes are inner ear problem, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, that is called BPPV, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, or in case of Meniere's disease, vestibular nerve disturbance. Brain or neurologic causes, migraine, head injury or stroke, serious cases. Friends, general causes are low blood pressure, anemia, dehydration, anxiety or stress. Other causes are cervical spondylosis or drug side effect of medicines like analgesic, too much antipyretic or other painkillers. Sign and symptoms: spinning sensation, that is called vertigo, loss of imbalance, nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, ringing in ears, tinnitus, weakness of fainting feeling. Let us start the pathophysiology. Balance is maintained by three systems: inner ear, vestibular system, eyes, visual input, brain, coordination. When there is mismatch between these signals, brain gets confused and dizziness starts. Example: BPPV, calcium particles moves in ear canals. Abnormal signals like spinning sensation arises. Homeopathic treatment. Homeopathic treatment is dependent on only mental and physical totality of symptoms. So, on single line basis, you cannot take medicine. You have to give the totality of the symptom to the doctor and then the doctor will decide. Number one medicine is belladonna. Sudden onset, throbbing headache, worse from light or noise. This is the symptom of belladonna. So second medicine is Brahmi alba. Brahmi alba is worse on slightest movement. Worse on slightest movement but better on lying still. Little bit movement is also causes the problem. Cornea maculatum, vertigo on turning head or lying down, especially in elderly persons. So cornea maculatum is especially for elderly people who are having such problems. Little bit they will turn the head left or right, then the symptom arises, problem arises. Gelsemium. Gelsemium is a medicine where dullness, dizziness, drowsiness is present. Heaviness, trembling with dizziness. So Jalsem will be the medicine. Next medicine is Cocculus indicus. Motion sickness. Dizziness with nausea and weakness. So Cocculus is the medicine. Phosphorus. Vertigo on rising from lying position. Sensitive, weak individuals. So phosphorus is one of the best remedy. Nux vomica. Dizziness due to indigestion or tension, irritability, personality. Now let us see some red flag symptoms, signs. Sudden severe headache, paralysis or slurred speech, loss of consciousness or chest pain. These are the red flag symptoms or red line symptoms. This may indicate serious condition like stroke. Immediate medical care is needed. Hence, you don't stop, don't ignore it. Try to consult any physician nearby. General tips. Drink plenty of water every 2 hourly. Avoid sudden position changes. Manage stress and do the proper sleep not less than 7 to 8 hours. Dizziness is a signal from the body, not just a complaint. In homeopathy, we treat the person as a whole, not just the vertigo. So friends, I hope you will listen the video 2-3 times so that you will understand about dizziness and you will take the proper care for yourself. Please try to share with your nearest and dearest ones. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.